set it back up in there, man. We're just trying to show you what it looks like set it up. Good morning. We want to talk about J&M item 13386, which is basically a Metalfab bulk bag unloader, and it also has a Metalfab screw feeder underneath of it. With this pointer, I'll try to point out a few details. Up here is where your fork truck slots, your fork truck forks go in to pick up this universal pickup frame device to move a super sack out of, an empty super sack out of, or a full super sack into the bulk bag unloader device. Right now we just have an empty bag here, just showing it for demo purposes. But the super sack gets set up in this frame. This frame has arms on it that you can have it adjusted. You can see all these holes up through here. You can set this frame on different adjusting heights depending on the length of your super sack. Okay, stop for a minute. Right now I'm holding this bag up just to show this inlet hole here. This is a flexible rubber gasket, if you will, so that the bag bottom goes down in the hole. And I'm not up high enough to reach it very well, but anyway, the bottom of the bag would go down in this hole, and with a full bag, it'll come down, it'll seal on this rubber gasket material. Then as we go on down here, of course you'll need proper access to get up to do all this stuff. You have a door here, and you have the Sta-Co clamps to unlock the door. You drop the door down, you reach in here, you then untie the bag and lower the outlet spout down in this opening here. So that's how you close it up. And there's 4 of these Sta-Co clamps. Then the material will flow down this outlet pipe right here. And Nate, if you bring the camera over this way, please. The material flows down this outlet pipe. This is a flexible sleeve here, down to a screw feeder. And you have a level probe mounted here into this outlet spout so that when the level probe, won't you stop?
Okay.
We're trying to avoid fork truck background noise, so we had to turn it off, turn it back on. Anyway, this is the level probe to indicate when material is no longer here. It then will shut the screw feeder off or sound an alarm for you to tell you to go replace the super sack and put another super sack on it. Now, this bulk bag unloading frame up here is mounted on rubber isolators. Right here. There's 4 of them, 1 on each corner. And when you're running the bulk bag unloader, there's a large electric vibrator over here. These vibrators are made by Martin Vibrator and by Vibco. This is a 460 volt electric vibrator that we can later hook up to run and show you the demonstration. But anyway, this vibrates the bottom of the super sack to get the material to flow down to whatever device you have below. Right now we have a screw feeder, a Metalfab screw feeder on here to discharge material into a small vacuum conveying line that's on the back. This machine can be sold without the screw feeder. We can ship it from this flange right here up, and you may not even need to buy this bottom section down here, but that depends on the person's application. This screw feeder right now is dropping material into this pipeline right here, and you suck air in from my side over here, and then you vacuum convey the material away to wherever it's going in its metering position. This unit's all carbon steel. If you wanted, you could cut a hole up here, mount you a large dust draw-off nozzle to extract dust from this drop chamber here to to a dust collector. If you had a very, very dusty material, you may want to do that. But with the seal on top, that seals up the super sack pretty well, and you may or may not need to do that. If you do, you can do that once you have it installed in its next application. This unit right now is also designed to be picked up by a hoist if you ever need to move it around, and with the way it's built, you could run forks through here and also pick the unit up and move it around. So that completes our brief description, and thank you for reviewing this unit.